Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into an essential topic for all you night mode enthusiasts out there. Have you ever wondered how to whitelist or blacklist a website for night mode in the Turn Off the Lights browser extension? Well, you're in luck because we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Before we jump right into the process, let's quickly go over what night mode is and why it's so popular. Night mode, also known as dark mode, is a feature that adjusts the colors of your device's screen to reduce eye strain and improve readability, especially in low light conditions. Many users find it more comfortable to browse the internet in night mode, and that's where the Turn Off the Lights browser extension comes into play. The Turn Off the Lights browser extension is a fantastic tool that enhances your browsing experience by dimming the background of any web page you visit, allowing you to focus on the content you're interested in. However, there may be instances where you want to customize the behavior of night mode for specific websites, and that's where the whitelist and blacklist options come into play. To whitelist or blacklist a website, follow these simple steps. First, right-click on the Turn Off the Lights lamp and select the menu item, Options. The Turn Off the Lights options page shows up in a new tab. Click on the tab, Night Mode. Now scroll down and enable the night switch. And check the box, activate the night mode only on the following sites. Then, in the text box, enter the website you want to see in night mode. For example, the Apple support pages. Also, do not forget to enable this checkbox, which ensures that it always runs in night mode when opening a new page or clicking on a hyperlink. If we go back to the first tab, you will clearly see that it converts this page to your custom night mode theme, but not on the other websites. If you want to see the original website style sheet, simply click on the night switch here. If you want to block certain websites and allow all other websites to go into night mode, you can enable the radio button labeled Blacklist. This will prevent those websites from converting to the night mode theme. And that's how you whitelist or blacklist a website for night mode in the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. It's a simple yet powerful way to customize your browsing experience and make night mode work exactly the way you want it to. That's it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.